Hey guys, how's everybody doing in Columbus? I'm so excited. I'm Krista Lozano, millionaire team member from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm so excited to come see you guys September 10th. I hope you all have your tickets and you're gonna bring friends because I'm gonna tell you guys my story. I got started in an online weight loss challenge January 2013, lost 24 pounds. I didn't have an interest in this business. I went on to lose 48 pounds, got started super part-time, around a full-time career, around my two kids, and I was able to build an amazing business, you guys. I got laid off from my career, was able to replace that money with the supplemental income I'm making with Herbalife. And you guys, today I'm designing my day with my kids, never ever missing a moment. Thank you, social media and all my online weight loss challenges, because that's how I work my business. And I'm gonna bring you guys all the golden nuggets. I'm gonna teach you every single thing I did working that career, around my career, part-time to transitioning to full-time, and show you guys what's possible. So get your tickets, plug in, you don't want to miss it. I'm going to bring everything I got, and I'm so jacked up to see you guys. Woohoo!